We would also design very detailed and comprehensive powers of attorney to avoid the necessity of establishing a guardianship. Our powers of attorney are custom designed to cover all contingencies so that all of the Kim's wishes can be carried out. We would also incorporate living trusts into John and Hannah's overall estate plan. Trusts have been utilized by experienced estate planning attorneys for hundreds of years due to its attractive features. For instance, a properly funded trust avoids the costs and delays associated with probate. And unlike probate, a trust will ensure privacy in the handling of the Kim's affairs. Like many of our clients, they may find it very unsettling that family, friends, creditors, and snoopers can see what assets they owned and who will be receiving them. Using a trust will allow John and Hannah to retain control as to how the assets are to be dealt with. They will be able to say who will benefit and to what extent, whether the property may be sold or used for certain purposes, such as education and health expenses, and who will benefit from it in the future. Most of our clients find this component of trust very attractive. Our trusts are also designed for flexibility to adapt to circumstances as they arise. If John were to make an outright gift of property to Sarah, for example, he cannot change his mind and give it to someone else. A properly drafted trust can modify its terms as circumstances change that were unforeseeable at the time the trust was created. Such unforeseeable events, such as Benjamin winning the lottery or becoming estranged from the family, may justify altering the terms of the trust at that time. For many of our clients, one of the most attractive features our trusts offer is its asset protection for family members. For example, John and Hannah may wish to leave their assets to Sarah and Benjamin when they die, but are very concerned about leaving substantial funds outright to them. We would design a trust that provides maximum protection against Sarah's and Benjamin's creditors, current and future spouses, in the event of a divorce, profligate spending habits, and mismanagement, to name a few. Because of Benjamin's current immaturity, we could structure the terms of the trust that would provide financial incentives for him to be a productive member of society rather than simply rely on and dissipate his inheritance. Another very important component to our overall plan would be to protect the Kim's house and other assets from being depleted due to the cost of long-term care. In order for the Kims to be eligible for financial assistance from the government and not have to first sell their home and other assets, we would place these assets into a specialized trust that would allow the Kims to enjoy all the benefits of outright ownership, such as the right to remain in the home and maintain all tax advantages of home ownership, while protecting the home and other assets from being used to pay for their long-term care. A properly prepared estate plan is a serious endeavor that is rife with complexity. It is a decision that is easy to put off to another day. However, procrastination can lead to disastrous consequences for your family. There is no better day than today to take the affirmative steps to ensure your family's wealth is preserved for generations to come. The attorneys at the law office of Sally Chung take pride in crafting solutions that will meet your family's particular planning objectives with the least amount of tax.